Hi everyone, my name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. Today I'm in our Nico's Diner in our Kitropolis exhibit. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create and decorate your own beautiful cupcakes. Alrighty, so today I'm going to show you how to decorate a beach cupcake. And these are going to be really easy, a simple way to decorate, but there will be very fun and interactive little cupcakes. So you're going to need blue icing, and you can use this open tip or you can also use the flower tip. And then you're also going to need some Teddy Grahams for the decoration on top and some lifesavers like this. And then you're also going to need some crushed up graham crackers or Teddy Grahams for the sand. And then if you also want to have an extra little decoration on top, you can take some umbrella drink toothpicks and pop it on top of the cupcake. So we're going to start off with our blue icing for our ocean waves. And since I have this open tip, I'm going to make little waves on the cupcake with a wave motion. So I did one, and I'm going to go ahead and do another one. So I'm moving my piping bag slightly up and down. I'll do one more. And there I have my ocean waves. So then I'm going to take my graham cracker crumbs and I'm going to put them on one side of the cupcake. So then after you've covered about half of your cupcake with the graham cracker crumbs, then you can take your lifesaver and put it in the water. And you can take one of your Teddy Grahams and put it in the middle of the lifesaver. You might have to open up your lifesaver a little bit. So now with your Teddy Graham, with the lightsaber, then you can place it on top of the cupcake. And then I cut out a little rectangle out of fondant, and I'm going to use it as a beach towel to put on the sand on the cupcake. So I'm going to put a little bit of the icing so it can stick on. I'm going to put it on my sand. I'm gonna grab one of my Teddy Grahams, put a little bit more icing on him. And then put him on top of his beach towel. And then I'm going to finish the cupcake by putting the little umbrella on top. Thank you for following along and decorating beach-themed cupcakes with me today. I definitely want to see what you did, so make sure to post and to tag us on social media so we can see your beautiful creations, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome videos. My name is Maddie coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!